Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. English summary, Book 1, Lecture 4, Part C. When harf jar will come, it will always pull the last vowel sign down. Unless the noun is stubborn and does not want to go down. There are a lot of stubborn nouns. Sayyid, qalmu man hadha ya Ali. Sayyid is asking, Ali, whose pen is this? Ali is replying, Hadha qalmul madarrasi. This is the pen of the teacher. Qalmu man. When you see a single dhamma on the last letter and there is no al and there is no tanween on the noun, then maybe it is mudaf, thing possessed. And if it is mudaf, then we need mudaf ilay, the possessor, owner of the thing. Where is mudaf ilay? Man is mudaf ilay, but we do not see kasra because all mudaf ilay are majroor. It has sukoon instead of kasra. This is a noun which has fixed ending. Whatever comes, it will never change and the sukoon will remain as it is even if it is mudaf ilayh. The nouns indicate their function in the sentence by their endings. Just like as we wear different dresses, when we go to marriage party, we wear a suit or sharwani, and ladies wear fancy dress and jewelry. But when we go to masjid, we wear simple dress. At home, we wear easy wear. And when we go to bed, we wear night suit. Similarly, the nouns change their vowel signs at the end. If they are mubtada, they are marfu. If it is predicate, one word, then it is marfu. If it is fa'il, subject, it is marfu. If it comes after harf jar, preposition, or if it becomes mudaf ilayhi, it is majroor. But there are some nouns, they have only one appearance. Look at haza. It is a pronoun, so it is a noun. It will remain same haza if it is marfu, mansoob or majroor. When it appears in the sentence, then we have to figure out whether it is marfu, mansoob or majroor. Similarly, man has only one appearance, that is sukoon. Qalmu man haza. Over here, man is mudaf ilayh. Qalmu man, qalam is mudaf and man is mudaf ilayh. Qalmu mudarrisi, it is also mudaf ilayh. Qalmu is mudaf and al-mudarrisi is mudaf ilayh. Now Sayyid is asking, Aina haqibatul mudarrisi? Where is the handbag of teacher? Haqibatu. There is ta marbuta. That means it is oneness, feminine. A noun that ends with ta marbuta is 99.9% feminine, oneness. So when we are going to answer, we have to be careful. Like Ali is saying, here. So here is pronoun for oneness. Here, tahatal maktabi. It is under the table. Tahatal maktabi, tahata means under, that is a place. So tahata is zarfu makan, adverb of place. There are certain zarf that behave like mudaf. We will not call them mudaf, but we will call them zarf. If someone behaves like mudaf, then we need mudaf ilayh. So there are certain zarf, they will be followed by mudaf ilayh. Tahata is zarf and al-maktabi is mudaf ilayh. Here is mubtada, tahata is zarf makan, and it is also shubu jumla khabar. Al-maktabi is mudaf ilayh. We can also say that tahatal maktabi is zarf mudaf ilayhi shubu jumla khabar. But we will see how we can say a single zarf as Shubhu Jumla Khabar. Shubhu Jumla Khabar can be Jar Majroor and can be zarf Mudaf ilayhi. Not all zarf will have Mudaf ilayhi. For example, Hunaka, Huwa alal maktabi Hunaka. Hunaka do not have Mudaf ilayhi. Amama, front means front, Khalfa means behind, Fawqa means over, and Tahta means under. When you say Fawqa, then Mudaf ilayhi has to come because it has to be over something. When you say Amama, front, then it has to be in front of something. If you say Khalfa, behind, then it has to be behind something. Those something will be Mudaf ilayhi. So some zarf will have Mudaf ilayhi and some will not. If you ask me, Aina anta, where are you? And I answer, Ana huna, I am here. Ana huna, this is a nominal sentence, Jumla ismiya. What is Ana? It is Mubtada. So where is Khabar? Predicate? Huna, and it is Shubhu Jumla Khabar. Answer the following questions as per what has come in the lesson. Aina kitabu Muhammadin. Muhammadin, Mudaf ilayhi. Ammarin, Mudaf ilayhi. Mudarrisi, Mudaf ilayhi. Aina kitabu Muhammadin. Where is the book of Muhammad? Huwa alal maktabi hunaka. It is on the table over there. There is no Mudaf ilayhi. Alal maktabi is Shubhu Jumla Khabar. Aina kitabu Ammarin. Where is the book of Ammar? Huwa alal maktabil mudarrisi. It is on the table of teacher. Maktabil mudarrisi is Mudaf ilayhi. Maktabu is Mudaf, Mudarrisi is Mudaf ilayhi. Aina haqibatul mudarrisi. Where is the handbag of teacher? Here tahatal maktabi. It is under the table. Alhamdulillah, we finished our summary today.